Model, 2016 VAUXHALL CORSA CDTI ECOFLEX S. Body, silver, hatchback. Mileage, 168,000. MOT, the 16th of February 2025. Engine, 1248 cc B13DTE E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are good, just needs straightforward turbo replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for